Oh, no farmhouse is on fire, Sophia. Hurry up.
Tell Mikey JJ to call rescue.
Thank God the rescue service has arrived.
Thank God the rescue service has arrived. Mikey, quickly shift all the animals to another farmhouse. To transport all the animals, a tractor has to be called and taken to the farmhouse of Maria.
Okay, I'm in a hurry.
Mikey's quick move to get all the animals out, so there's room for the rescue. Mikey, let's take the donkey first.
Yes, I'm taking the donkey first. I feel like I'm on fire.
I'll call Maria, she'll call the vet. Everything will be treated.
Hi, Maria. Sophia has asked to keep this donkey. There is a fire in her farmhouse, and Sophia has said, call the vet.
Okay, I will take good care of all the animals. Mikey, hurry up, get all the horses out. This white and brown one is my favorite horse. It looks like it's been burnt by fire.
Some animals have been burned.
Yes, I have plenty of space. All the animals will be able to move comfortably. Mikey, hurry up. The fire is very close to Sheep's house. Sheep's lamb could burn. Pick him up in your arms. Hurry up, Mikey, Mikey.
Yes, I have seen the sheep's lamb. It has not caught fire. Maria, quickly take off the sheep. I have to go again and bring the animals.
Okay, I'm in a hurry. You be ready. As soon as all the sheep get off, you and the animal can go get it. Quickly open the cow's gate. Take it out and put it in the tractor. The fire is very close. The tractor driver is doing a good job, quickly transporting all the animals. The driver, and how many animals are left?
Pigs and chicken are left.
Tell the drivers, Sophia and Mikey, to come here too. Wait, Mike. Let the rescue go in first to put out the fire. Take the pigs out. The rescue service should put out the fire by pouring water there too. Pick up Pig's baby piglet in your arms. Hurry up, Mikey. Take all the hens and the rooster to the tractor. The fire is spreading. Yes, let's all get in the tractor. Put my dog in first. Take the cat with you. Maria, you did a great job. Our entire farmhouse burned down. If you hadn't helped, all our animals would have burned down. And we had no other place to keep our animals. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.